Hi guys. So firstly, congratulations on clearing your CA foundation exams. Welcome to the real CA Inter. This video is about telling you a honest truth. Clearing CA foundation is great, but foundation is just like a teaser or a trailer for the actual CA course. The actual CA course is the 8 papers we have in CA Inter. This is the true CA. Actually, what you study, it is not that easy. To be honest, it's not that easy. But all you need is consistent effort for the next 8 to 9 months. When I say it's not easy, I'm not trying to say the papers are difficult, you cannot study. No. All that you need is hard work plus consistent study, little bit of smart work, and able to solve your doubts properly, get your concepts cleared. I keep saying focus on your concepts, and today if you see, the level of examination is moving away from mugging up and we are focusing purely on concept driven classes. So it's important you understand the concept. So when it comes to CA Inter, most of them get confused as to where do I join the class. During my CA Inter days 10 years back also, even I had that biggest doubt. We will join somewhere, we regret, we join here, we like it. End of the day, forget entertainment, forget everything. Our end goal is to pass. And what do you expect in a class? What do you expect in a class? First thing is you expect the class to be where we are all adapted. Look at us from school, from LKG to class 12, irrespective of where you studied. I'm sure your classroom strength will be in the range of 30 to 100. So for 14 years of your life, you've been studying in a class with about 50 to 60 students. The teacher communicates with you directly and you have a personal connect with the teacher. But suddenly just imagine with 500 plus students, 1000 plus students in class, it becomes little bit difficult for you to adapt to that method. We are taking classes in Shankara Coaching Center, and Shankara Coaching Center is been in Chennai for 40 plus years. One of the first CA coaching institutes in Chennai. And I am proud and I am happy that I was a student of Shankara Coaching Center and I am back as a faculty here for accounts, advanced accounts. And we have an amazing team for handling CA Inter. The batches are of two types for November 23 to accommodate students for two timings. One is from 7 a.m. till 1 p.m. for those who have college. And for those who are doing full-time CA, we have from 9 a.m. till 5 p.m. Two batches, two separate batches. In both these batches, the maximum number of students will be 50. The class will be face-to-face classes, plus it's going to be hybrid model of online live. You will be given recording if you need for any class that you miss. And the most important thing I believe, guys, is test. Is important test, because in school, when we passed 12th standard, nobody thought that you're going to fail, correct? But you know why in CA people think about failing? In school, you wrote unit test 1, 2, 3, 4, half yearly, quarterly, pre-board exam, model exam, we write so many tests. But when it comes to CA, the only test you write is the main exam. So we conduct weekly tests just to create an atmosphere just like school. And when you are studying, wherever you are studying, anybody will get doubts, irrespective of how smart you are. In any concept, somewhere in any subject, you will get doubts. So what we are doing for doubts is, you will get the faculty's number. You can WhatsApp the faculty or call the faculty to get your doubts cleared. So these are the features of the class. Now, of course, you will have doubt whether should I join some new place, I'm not sure, how can I go here? Therefore, the first 1 week of the class, you can attend for free. Not a single rupee taken, not even a single rupee, just attend for free. If you like the class, if you like the experience, you can continue. If you don't like it, you can leave, not even a single question asked. The first batch will be starting on 20th Feb 23 and the next batch on 23rd Feb 23. And lastly, one assurance we can give from the academy side, from our side, is the batch completion date. We can guarantee you that you will have 2 months of exam leave and the batch will be completed on time and that is something we want to work on, because there is no point completing the batch late for you, even if it's taken well. If you can't study at your end, there is no point going to the exam and panicking in the last moment. So for further details, in the description of this video, we have given the contact number. If you just Google Sri Shankara Coaching Center, you will find all the details about Shankara Coaching Center. There's a website. You can call the number. You can come over here, discuss, check, and then you can take a call. But again, we are going to close the registration with 50 students for both the batches. It's here. It's not about the money. It's about taking 50 students and having more students pass in that, and that gives us more satisfaction than doing it in a mass fashion. So thank you so much guys for listening till here. All the best for your November 23. Thank you so much.